To all our beloved listeners and viewers, this Christmas season invites us to look back on the year with grateful hearts. Although we were hit by two catastrophic calamities here in Cebu, the 6.9 magnitude earthquake and Typhoon Tino, we remain standing. We showed our resilience, and above all, we realized that God never left us. We were used as instruments to help those who were affected. Through the joint relief campaign of DYHP and IFM, we were able to collect 4.1 million pesos from our listeners and viewers to help the victims of the earthquake. Then came Typhoon Tino, just a month after the earthquake. To be very honest, I had doubts about launching another relief campaign. I didn't expect that our listeners and viewers would still respond, but once again, you did. And together, we raised another 3.6 million pesos on top of the in-kind donations that you generously shared with the victims. Unang higayon kini nga hitabo sa history sa radio industry din sa Cebu, if not in the entire country. Og dako namong kalipay kay kini mo ay resibo sa dakong mahimo sa tinuod nga overall number 1 radio station din sa Cebu. And this is the overwhelming evidence that would prove our station's supremacy on the airwaves. Pero kining pagka-overall number 1 nga title, again, this title is just an empty, useless, and meaningless unless it is used to help others. So hinaut po ta nga kanunay ta nga ma-reminded ni ining maong advocacy. As we celebrate Christmas, let us continue to thank the Lord for His love and protection. And as we step into the new year, may we seek His guidance in all that we do and trust Him to lead us toward brighter and better days. Gikan sa kinitibuk-ang puwersa sa DYHP RMN Cebu IFM, among itunol ang malipayong Pasko o bulahang bagong tuig kanatong tanan.